Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Palazzo at the Venetian Resort represents one of the final phases of the modern mega resort era on the Las Vegas Strip. Opened in 2007, it was designed as an expansion to the Venetian, while still standing as its own independent resort tower. At the time of opening, its 50-story structure made it the tallest completed hotel building in Las Vegas and one of the tallest in the United States. The architectural style blends clean modern lines with classical Italian influence, continuing the theme that connects it to its sister property. The Palazzo was conceived as a luxury resort built around large suites, high-end retail, and expansive entertainment spaces. Its lobby and public areas draw inspiration from Italian Renaissance architecture, but interpreted through a modern resort design language. Connected directly to Palazzo is the Grand Canals shops, one of the most striking indoor retail environments in Las Vegas. Rather than using a generic mall layout, the designers recreated a detailed interpretation of Venice's canals and streets, complete with cobblestone pathways, arched bridges, and storefronts styled after Italian facades. Gondolas travel along an indoor waterway that winds through the mall, passing beneath bridges lined with shops, restaurants, and open plazas. The concept behind the Grand Canal shops was to create an environment where retail and themed architecture merge into a continuous experience. Boutique brands, galleries, and restaurants are built into facades resembling Italian palazzos, creating a space where the boundaries between resort, shopping district, and themed attraction all blend together. The upper levels use balcony structures and ornamentation to extend the illusion vertically, giving the mall the appearance of an outdoor European streetscape, even though it's fully enclosed. In addition to its design, the Grand Canal shops became known for its emphasis on live entertainment integrated into the retail environment. Performers appear in the plazas and on balconies throughout the shopping areas, echoing the tradition of Italian street theatre. This approach helped position the venue as more than a shopping centre. It functions as a hybrid of retail, themed attraction, and performance space. The Palazzo and the Grand Canal shops together show how Las Vegas continued to evolve its resort design philosophy into 2000s.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.